Wire EDM, or electrical discharge machining, is a manufacturing process that uses electrical sparks to cut metal. It's like lightning in a bottle, but instead of creating thunder, it creates incredibly precise parts. Wire EDM is essential for industries that demand accuracy, like aerospace and medical. Imagine trying to cut a sheet of paper with a flame. You'd get a rough edge, right? Now imagine using a tiny laser to cut the paper. That's the difference between traditional machining and wire EDM. Wire EDM is the laser, making clean, precise cuts that other methods struggle to achieve. This precision is why wire EDM is so important. It allows manufacturers to create complex parts with intricate details that would be impossible to make otherwise. From tiny medical implants to massive aircraft components, wire EDM is changing the way we build the future. Wire EDM stands out for its ability to cut incredibly fine details. Imagine slicing a tomato with a dull knife versus a razor-sharp one. Traditional machining is like the dull knife, leaving behind rough edges and imprecise cuts. Wire EDM, on the other hand, is the razor-sharp blade, capable of producing smooth, accurate cuts with incredible detail. This precision is achieved by using a thin, electrically charged wire as the cutting tool. The wire never actually touches the metal. Instead, it creates a series of controlled electrical sparks that erode the material, leaving behind a perfectly formed cut. This spark-based cutting method allows for extreme accuracy, often measured in microns. To put that into perspective, a human hair is about 75 microns thick. Wire EDM can cut materials to a fraction of that size, making it ideal for creating intricate parts with tolerances that traditional machining can only dream of achieving. The wire EDM process might seem complex, but it's actually quite elegant in its simplicity. Imagine a thread passing through a needle, except the thread is a charged wire and the needle is the metal being cut. The process begins with a thin, conductive wire, usually made of brass or molybdenum, being threaded through the workpiece. The workpiece is then submerged in a dielectric fluid, which acts as an insulator and a coolant. This fluid helps to control the sparks and prevent the wire from overheating. With the wire in place and the workpiece submerged, a voltage is applied between the wire and the workpiece. This voltage creates an electrical potential difference, and when the gap between the wire and the workpiece is small enough, a spark jumps across the gap. This spark, a miniature bolt of lightning, vaporizes a tiny amount of the metal, creating the desired cut. The heart of the wire EDM process lies in the controlled electrical discharges that occur between the wire and the workpiece. These discharges, though tiny, are incredibly powerful, reaching temperatures hotter than the surface of the sun. However, because these discharges are so brief and localized, they don't damage the surrounding material. Think of it like using a magnifying glass to start a fire. The sun's rays alone aren't enough to ignite a flame, but by focusing them on a single point, you can generate enough heat to start a fire. Similarly, the electrical discharges in wire EDM focus a tremendous amount of energy onto a tiny area, vaporizing the metal with pinpoint accuracy. This precise control over the electrical discharges is what allows wire EDM to achieve such remarkable accuracy and detail. By carefully controlling the voltage, current, and duration of the discharges, operators can fine-tune the cutting process to meet the specific requirements of each job. Section 5. Advantages of wire EDM. Wire EDM offers several advantages over traditional machining methods, making it a popular choice for a wide range of applications. One of its biggest advantages is its ability to cut very hard materials with ease. Traditional machining often struggles with hard metals, requiring special tools and techniques. Wire EDM, on the other hand, cuts through these materials like butter, making it ideal for applications where hardness is a critical factor. Another advantage is its ability to create complex shapes and intricate details that would be impossible to achieve with traditional methods. Wire EDM can easily cut sharp corners, intricate cavities, and delicate features, making it a versatile tool for a wide range of industries. Additionally, wire EDM is a non-contact process, meaning there's no direct force applied to the workpiece. This eliminates the risk of distortion or warping, which is especially important for delicate or thin materials. Section 6. Wire EDM in aerospace. The aerospace industry demands precision and reliability, and wire EDM plays a crucial role in meeting these demands. From the smallest sensors to the largest structural components, wire EDM is used to create a wide range of aerospace parts. One of the key applications of wire EDM in aerospace is the manufacturing of turbine blades. These blades, which operate in extreme conditions of heat and pressure, require intricate cooling channels and precise aerodynamic profiles. Wire EDM's ability to cut complex shapes and maintain tight tolerances makes it the ideal method for producing these critical components. Another important application is the creation of lightweight structures. By strategically removing material, wire EDM can create lightweight yet strong components, reducing the overall weight of aircraft and improving fuel efficiency. This is crucial in the aerospace industry, where every gram counts. Section 7. Wire EDM in medical devices. The medical device industry relies heavily on wire EDM's ability to create intricate and precise parts. From surgical instruments to implantable devices, wire EDM plays a vital role in improving healthcare and saving lives. One of the most common applications of wire EDM in the medical field is the creation of stents. These tiny, expandable tubes are used to open blocked arteries and require incredibly precise dimensions to ensure proper function. Wire EDM's ability to cut thin materials with high accuracy makes it the ideal method for manufacturing these life-saving devices. Another important application is the creation of surgical instruments. Wire EDM allows for the creation of delicate instruments with complex geometries, enabling surgeons to perform minimally invasive procedures with greater precision and control. This leads to faster recovery times, reduced scarring, and improved patient outcomes. Section 8. Erodex, your partner in wire EDM. Erodex is a leading provider of wire EDM solutions, offering a comprehensive range of products and services to meet the needs of various industries. With decades of experience and a commitment to quality, Erodex has established itself as a trusted partner for businesses looking to leverage the power of wire EDM. Erodex offers a wide range of wire EDM machines, from entry-level models to high-end systems, catering to the specific needs and budgets of different customers. In addition to machines, Erodex provides a complete range of consumables, including wires, dielectric fluids, and wear parts, ensuring that customers have everything they need to keep their wire EDM operations running smoothly. Erodex understands that investing in wire EDM is a significant decision, and they are committed to providing exceptional customer support throughout the entire process. Their team of experts offers technical guidance, application support, and training programs to help customers maximize their wire EDM investments. Section 9. Conclusion. The future of precision manufacturing. Wire EDM has revolutionized precision manufacturing, enabling the creation of complex and intricate parts that were once considered impossible to make. As technology continues to advance, we can expect wire EDM to play an even greater role in shaping the future of manufacturing. With its ability to cut complex shapes, maintain tight tolerances, and work with a wide range of materials, wire EDM is well positioned to meet the growing demands of industries like aerospace, medical, and electronics. As these industries continue to push the boundaries of innovation, wire EDM will be there every step of the way, providing the precision and reliability they need to succeed. By partnering with a trusted provider like Erodex, businesses can harness the power of wire EDM to improve their products, streamline their processes, and gain a competitive edge in the global marketplace. The future of precision manufacturing is here, and it's powered by wire EDM.